double burner. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 12 inches. Front to back, a depth of 29 inches. The height with legs, 13.25 inches tall. Without the legs, we have 9 inches. Coming to the top are 2 removable burner plates, and each plate will measure 11.75 inches in length by 11.75 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 2 burners. Right beneath is a removable waste tray. Measurements for the waste tray will include 7.75 inches by 23.75 inches in depth. Tray can be removed and inserted back onto the track. 2 temperature control adjustment knobs. And coming to the right side will be the ETL NSF certification along with gas information for this double burner. Gas regulator along with the propane conversion kit included. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product.